फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी एक ऐसा फैक्टर है जिसे गाड़ी खरीदते वक्त तो हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं, पर गुजरते वक्त के साथ साथ इस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू मेक अ बिग होल इन आवर पॉकेट. Today's video comes up with fuel efficient driving techniques which can lower down the fuel consumption up to 20% and will also help in reducing pollution. Even if you own an automatic transmission vehicle, you need to use these techniques to get more fuel efficiency. So before we proceed, please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell button to receive latest videos. Plan your trip well in advance, map out your route using navigation apps. उन रोड्स को अवॉइड करें जहां कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स या इंटरसेक्शंस हो. I suggest you to opt for a less time consuming route even though it's a longer one as compared to a short route but with more time consumption. Try to avoid driving during rush hours as this is going to save the fuel as well as your time. Check the tire pressure before you start and maintain its correct level for better fuel efficiency. For more information, you can check my detailed video on car tire pressure, the link of which is given in the description below. The first lesson of driving is to accelerate gently. The harder you accelerate, the more fuel your vehicle will consume. You can try imagining a glass full of your favorite drink on dashboard, and the challenge is not to spill it. Driving while anticipating the traffic can again save you fuel. By looking at the traffic behavior ahead, you can slow down well in advance to avoid unnecessary accelerating and braking. Many of the cars and SUVs are most fuel efficient when their speed is between 50 to 80 kilometers per hour. And above this speed zone, vehicles consume more fuel the faster they go. Remember to turn off the engine whenever you have to stop for more than 60 seconds in red lights or wherever while on the go. This is going to save fuel and reduce pollution as well. कुछ वक्त के बाद हम अपनी व्हीकल को टाइमली सर्विस नहीं कराते हैं. The general tendency is to skip regular services with a motive to save some cash, which might turn into a big expense someday. A poorly maintained engine can never give you a good economy. The engine oil needs to be regularly replaced or changed. Timely servicing of your vehicle will also help you avoid choking of air filters and fuel filters. So I would suggest you to get your vehicle serviced as per your car manufacturer's recommendations. Use the car AC wisely. I would rather suggest you to use it only when you actually feel the need. And this might reduce fuel consumption by as much as 15%. In hot weather conditions, I would strongly recommend you to pull down the windows 5 minutes prior before you get into the car. This will neutralize the impact of toxic gases formed inside the car and will also help in minimizing the cabin temperature. But do this only if your car is parked in a safe place. Secondly, you can splash some water over the front grille to give quick cooling effect as this is going to cool down the radiator and condenser. Fuel efficiency can also be increased by keeping your vehicle as light as possible. You should remove all the extra weight like the sports equipments, bicycle racks or the car top carriers immediately after their usage. The more weight you put onto your vehicle, the more fuel it is going to consume. Get the fuel filled up from a top-rated company-owned fuel station. And also use good quality fuel additives which increase the engine performance and so the fuel efficiency. Try not to keep it full until and unless it's an emergency. Rather, I would suggest you to keep it 3/4 for better fuel efficiency. Do make it sure to fill up the tank during the cooler temperatures of the day as this is going to ensure better fuel density. During higher temperatures, the fuel molecules evaporate and the lesser quantity of fuel is actually filled up in the tank. So you are in loss in that case. Many of the cars have gear shifting indicators and eco mode to get the best fuel efficiency. But in case if both the features are missing in your car, you can check the RPM meter. Keep a close check on RPM meter and examine your driving habits, and this is surely going to increase the fuel efficiency by many times. The best ever way to reduce fuel bills and pollution is to drive only when it's necessary. Walk or cycle to a nearby destination, which in turn will benefit your health too. Or else you can also use a carpool, public transport, or work from home whenever you can. You can also combine 2-3 trips together to keep fuel efficiency high. Please do share in the comment section below about which tip you found the most helpful, and also do subscribe to my channel if you liked it.